I want to stop. I want to stop. I want to stop. I want to stop.
Pa, said Percy. He's back to bugging us. Don't move. You're still attached to Cranky. But it was too late. Cranky still looks down on the two little engines. But ever since... That lorry's in trouble, thought Toby. And he was. But Caroline didn't like going fast. I'm hot. My engine will overheat.
Lightning McQueen here, and I use Rusty's medicated bump ointment, new rear end.
Not every car has to turn on the Lightning McQueen.
As ready as I'll ever be. They were just in time and ran into a field where a bull was grazing. The bull frightened the little dog even more. He ran back again, but it was too late. He left his coaches and went to a siding where no one could see him. Time for a snooze, he thought. They were just in time. Catch the rope and pull Toby to safety. Owls, mists, ghosts. Edward's going soft in the boiler. There's no mist. But Henry was wrong. What's that? Cried Henry. Stop quarrelling, you two, or the only thing you'll have left to share is... trouble. Silly, snapped Bill. Silly yourself, grumbled Ben. The grabber wasn't listening.
No! 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 Finally, no more famous engines taking over my branch line. That's much better.
Ghosts don't work day shifts, said his driver. Toby bravely made his way.
I'm falling apart. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Rotten.
And suddenly it caught fire. Help! Cried James. His driver reduced steam and braked hard. Thomas laughed as Percy blushed bright red. I love... Wash! Where's that? Gasped the fat controller. As they approached the hill, they overtook the trucks. And all of these are for you. Wooden horses, Percy exclaimed.
For fuck's sake.
They diverted him onto old sidings, straight into a muddy pool. As the engine crossed the old iron bridge, he suddenly lost control and plunged over the side into the swamps below. Then it happened.
You're a very naughty
system.
I hope I can trust you to behave when you next come out of this shed.